Hello everyone, welcome back to the IZI channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a dashboard and input your analysis to your dashboard in the IZI Analytics Dashboard. First click on Analytic, then click on Dashboard. Click Select Dashboard and click New Dashboard. Then OK for confirmation. Change the name of the dashboard by clicking on the pencil icon next to it. Then click the check mark and click OK for confirmation. In version 1 of the IZI Analytics Dashboard, you can insert all your analyses to your dashboard by clicking on Analysis, then select an analysis. Select the dashboard you want to input this analysis in. Here, I'll select the dashboard I just created, which is the new test dashboard. Then click Add to Dashboard. I will also add another analysis and click on Add to Dashboard. I can change the visual as well and again add to the same dashboard. Now when I go back to my dashboard and click on New Test, I will have a total of 3 analyses which I just added to this dashboard. You'll be able to change the themes like so and edit the layout. Once you click Edit Layout, you'll be able to drag the analyses to the position you want them to be in, and also make them smaller or larger by clicking and holding an icon on the bottom right of an analysis. Once you finish moving around the positions and editing the layout, click Save Layout. Now you can edit the analysis you want by clicking on the title and choosing Edit Analysis. I can change the data and the visual. Once I change the visual, I have to make sure to click Save Visual. Now when you go back to the dashboard, the analysis will be updated automatically. And that is all for this video on how to work with the dashboard menu in the front end of the IZI Analytics Dashboard. Thank you for watching and have a great day!